Everyone, Amtrak and CSX drifting on. We got CSX freight close to like westbound, close to like 140, 141. He just met that eastbound Stackle, led by 703. So he just met that one towards the Bolivar and Chattanooga Road area. And we could have a race or something because there's two greens. One green is flashing, but his green is on the left, and that is a solid green, while the other one on the right is still flashing green. This Stackle. He knocked down his green because he was on the middle line. His green was that flashing green actually on the right, because you can tell that left one is still green on that end. And he was on the middle line track too, so that's why he knocked down that one instead. But there he goes, nice K5HL on him with a friendly crew. And the lights just went out.